everyone, I'm Adinda Ratu. Today I would like to explain the difference between a request letter and complaint letter. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, let's look at the definition of both letters. A request letter is a formal document in which the reader conveys a request or appeal to the recipient with the aim of obtaining something desired through a polite and respectful manner. The purpose of request letter is to make a polite request to obtain what we need from the recipient. And on the other hand, a complaint letter is a formal document used to express dissatisfaction, grievance, or objection regarding a specific condition, product, service, or action deemed unsatisfactory. The purpose of a complaint letter is to formally express dissatisfaction and demand a remedy, solution, or compensation of the recipient for the inconvenience caused. Now, let's move on to the next slide, which cover the writing structure of this letter. 1. Request letter. 1. Opening salutation, a formal greeting addressed to the recipient. This includes a formal salutation to the recipient. And 2. Introduction, brief self-introduction and context of the request, where you briefly introduce yourself and state your context or background of your request. And 3. Body of request, detailed explanation of what is being requested, where this is the main section that explains in detail exactly what you are requesting. And 4. Justification, logical reasoning to support the request. This provides the underlying reason or rationale for making the request. And the last, 5. Closing and regards, expression of gratitude and follow-up expectation. This expresses gratitude and states your hope for a timely and positive follow-up. Now, complaint letters. 1. Opening salutation, a formal greeting to the relevant party. And 2. Statement of problem, clear identification of the issue experienced. This clearly identifies the exact issue of problem you have experienced. 3. Account of events, chronology or factual evidence supporting the complaint. This section provides the chronology, background, story, or supporting fact regarding your complaint. And 4. Impact and consequences, losses or harm resulting from the problem. Here, you explain the negative consequences, inconvenience, or financial loss caused by the problem. And 5. Demand and closing, specific request for action and formal closing. This is where you state your specific request for action or compensation, followed by a formal closing. Now, as you can see, the actual example of both letters what we just discussed. On the left, we have a request letter. It follows the exact structure we talked about, starting with the opening salutation, right? Followed by the introduction, this, and then the body of the request. Moving into the justification. And finally, ending with the closing and regards. This is right? Okay. Next, on the right, we have an example of a compliment letter. Begins with the same opening salutation, this, and immediately jumps into the statement of the problem, this, and provides a clear account of event. this, and this is followed by the impact and consequences, and it wraps up with the specific demands. This. Okay, that concludes my explanation on the difference between a request letter and a complaint letter. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Thank you for watching. Bye.